Hey, I'm Jonathan, owner of Central Sound. Thank you for dropping in. If you paid a lot of money for your headphones or gaming headset, it should last more than a year, don't you think? Several big electronics manufacturers, I'm not going to name names, purposefully create electronics to fail, including headphones and gaming headsets. So after a little while, maybe once your warranty expires and a part fails, maybe your battery doesn't hold a charge anymore, your ear pads are wearing out, you're kind of left with the only option to buy another headphones or headset because the manufacturer will not help you after your warranty is expired. That's where we come in. I started this company back in 2014. At first, all we sold was replacement ear pads for several different models of headphones. We have grown so much since then. Now we sell all different parts, from batteries to ear pads to our own custom engineered and designed upgraded parts made right here in the USA. Last year, there was over 59 million metric tons of e-waste disposed of, and only 20% of that was recycled. Here at Central Sound, we do our best to provide anyone with the resources, knowledge, and parts to be able to repair their headphones or headsets and keep e-waste out of landfills. As of now, Central Sound has received over 16,000 positive feedbacks and reviews across all different online platforms and worldwide. Our store, CentralSound.co, is a trusted, verified Google store. We are also a top-rated plus seller on eBay as well. Only stores with the highest quality of customer service and products are rewarded with those badges. It is a great honor and a great privilege to be able to provide solutions to all of our customers worldwide, and for that, I am grateful. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you learned a little bit more about me and Central Sound as a company.